Hi friends, we're back with a new video. Today we are making fish fry masala. It's an amazing recipe with simple ingredients and it has that amazing coastal fish taste. And the best part, the family loves it. My wife is in love with it. I'm sure your wife is going to love it too. Before we go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And now let's get straight into the cooking. So before we start, first what we do is we prepare our masala. So in a hot pan, I will put 1 and 2 teaspoons of jeera. I'm going to put 3 red chilies and 5 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to dry roast them till the time my jeera doesn't go slightly brown. And then we'll grind and prepare the masala. So now that we've roasted it, we just transfer this into a grinding bowl. Now before we grind to this, we'll add 3 green chilies. We will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we will add 2 teaspoons of degi mirch or Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 and 2. And we will add 2 heaps full of coriander powder. Sorry for that. And to this we'll add some water. Don't add too much water. We want a paste-like consistency. And now we'll grind it. So this is the kind of consistency we get once we grind it. Okay, we get a beautiful red colored paste. And now let's get down to marinating our fish. So what I've done is, in a bowl, I've taken 500 grams of seal fish, which is also called surmai. To this I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I'll add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And I will add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Very simple marinade, and we just rub it all together on the fish. You see to it that all the pieces of fish are nicely covered in the spices. Okay. And we will let them marinate for the next half an hour. So we've marinated our fish, and if you see, it's nicely marinated on both the sides. We'll let it aside for half an hour, and in the meantime, we're going to start preparing our gravy. So to prepare the masala, what I've done is, in a non-stick kadai, I've taken some oil. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, red onions, and I've grated them nicely. And we will just add this to the oil. And we will cook it till the time the onion doesn't go brown. So onions have gone nicely brown, and now that spice mix, that paste that we had made, we will add that to it. And as you add, you will keep mixing it. We've cooked our spices for about a minute, and to this we add 3 tomatoes that we've diced. Now we're going to cook it till the time the tomatoes don't go soft. So in the meanwhile, till the time our masala is getting ready, our fish has been marinating for the last half an hour. In a pan, what I've done is I've taken some oil and I'm going to fry my fish in it. So you just simply keep placing your fish. Don't put more than 4 pieces at a time. And you will fry each for 2 minutes on each side. And we'll flip this after 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, we just gently flip our fish. It's beautifully done on one side, let it cook on the other side. The fish is done, and we just take it all out, and we'll fry the next batch after this. So our tomatoes, they've gone soft. Now to this, we'll add some tamarind juice. This is about 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, and we add curry leaves. We'll add about 10 to 15 curry leaves. They add a beautiful flavor to your gravy. Give it a nice mix. Now, why I don't add the curry leaves right in the beginning is because if you add the curry leaves to the hot oil, they just burn, and you don't get that nice flavor of the curry leaves. And now we add some water to this to get the desired consistency of our gravy. Okay? You don't want it too runny. You don't want it too thick. At this point, we add some salt. If you remember, we've not added salt till now. We just add salt to taste. Just remember that you've added some salt to your fish also, so be careful when you're adding the salt. Give it a nice mix, and we'll let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll start adding the fish. So our curry has been simmering for the last 10 minutes, and now the fish, we start adding it to it. Add the pieces one by one. We will cover it and we'll cook it for another 5-10 minutes. So curry has been simmering for the last 10 minutes. We've not really, moved the fish around because we've already fried the fish and it's going to break if we move it around too much. So this we add the juice of half a lemon. We just take a small lemon. Okay. And we add freshly chopped coriander leaves. That's it. We are ready to serve. We will not mix it because the moment we mix, our fish will start breaking. And it's just smelling so amazing. So I'm going to switch the gas off, and I'm going to serve, and I'm going to show you how it's looking. That's it. Our fish is ready. Let's serve. Careful when you pick them up. You pick up your fish pieces, start lining them up, and you put the gravy on top. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you've liked it. Try it out. As I always say, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. If you've not yet liked and subscribed to the channel, do like and subscribe to the channel, and share the pictures of what you make with us on Instagram. Don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll keep sharing our new recipes with you. You also, if you have any ideas how we could improve, it's always welcome. And we'll see you soon with a brand new recipe.